Hi, I'm Dr. Zacco. Today I'd like to talk to you about FUE standard method versus FUE clipless or shaveless method. So for years we've been doing FUEs by the standard method, and that is where we would clip the hair in the donor area very short, less than a 1. So both would be on the back and the sides very short, and that's how you would go home at the end of the day. Is hair that's clipped very short, and people didn't like that. So the clipless or shaveless method that people really prefer is done where you can leave the hair back here at its original length, and you don't have to shave it or clip it. And women really prefer this, but so do men. And so what we do is we leave the hair at its original length, and that's how you go home after the FUE. Now, the same method is done with the recipient area. It's done the same way. So we implant the grafts the same way wherever you need it, with your eyebrows, whether you do it in the scalp, whether you do it in the beard. It's done the exact same way. So but at any rate, with in the donor area, the hair is kept very short and by the standard method, or left long where you can hide the procedure much better in the back. So that's the real difference between the two procedures.